From the Carl Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines, welcome to Iowa Live on this Friday. If you bumped into anybody you might not know and realize that, they seem to be a little friendlier, yeah, people are in a really good mood. And that's why we are going to be talking to this gentleman right here, Andrew Reinhardt from Valley View Medical Clinic, because people are in great moods, but maybe there's some guys out there that aren't in really good moods for a very specific reason that you can help with. First and foremost, Andrew, how are you?
I am doing well. How are you today, Lou?
We're great. How can we make guys feel better and be in a better mood?
Well, I think that we can do exactly that. We're talking about ED or erectile dysfunction, which can put us in a bad mood. Here's the good news. We get it fixed, and you do see this great ripple effect that takes place on life. If you're out there struggling, maybe your man is struggling with erectile dysfunction, Valley View Medical Clinic uses the most advanced form of something called wave therapy. It's a technology that delivers pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels very easily and quickly, clinically causing those blood vessels to open up and expand. As you can imagine, a healthier blood vessel does great things to life in the bedroom. Here's the big deal, Lou. We can finally get rid of the erectile dysfunction without the use of pills.
Now, this wave therapy, it's non-invasive for people that are wondering about that, but does it actually physically move the walls of the vessel to help stimulate the growth in the walls?
It causes physical change, yes. In fact, I have seen x-rays of blood vessels before and after treatments. They're wider in diameter, and there are more of them. That's known as neovascularization. When we get the blood flowing properly, when we repair blood vessels, you'll be amazed what can happen in the bedroom.
You know what we want to do, Andrew, if you can, next time you have a chance to, see if we can get some of those photos, some x-rays so we can show those, because, that is eye-opening and vessel opening, which is the whole idea of this. This is to get blood where it needs to be by regrowing and repairing those vessels that have had some issues.
Yeah, that's exactly right. One of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction is damaged blood vessels. It's normal as we age, as we live. This can happen because the blood vessels are tiny to begin with. So it's a physical problem. This technology and the pressure waves agitate. Now, you won't feel it, but they agitate the blood vessels enough that they trick the body into healing itself, kind of like what we do to a muscle in the gym. And that is a great thing.
You took the words out of my mouth. That's the first thing that came to mind when you said that, is you agitate it so it has a tendency to regrow, like when you're working out. So you are working out your vessels so they become stronger, and you can too. Now, big question is there ever a point where this cannot help someone? Say maybe someone has some problems for the last maybe 2 or maybe even 5 years. Can you still help them?
Well, we certainly can. Now, I'm sure there are instances where we can't, but it would be very extreme. We have treated men from age 20 to in their 90s. Every kind of health condition, it seems. It's so targeted and proven, it can work for just about any category.
All right, and how long does the procedure take, and how long from start to finish before you might start seeing results?
So much quicker than you think. A treatment is 10 or 15 minutes. According to the Cambridge study, they vetted this. It's a few of those 10-minute sessions over a couple of weeks. So you don't have to wait all that long. And a lot of guys do a treatment and report noticing some improvements in the bedroom, and it progressively gets better from there.
So you don't have to worry about the pills or anything like that. There's a lot of side effects associated with that. You can get rid of those and take care of your problem at the root of the problem. Now, you have a very special offer that you're giving everybody out here today. Tell everybody what you have.
We certainly do. If you are ready to put a stop to the erectile dysfunction, if you're ready to regain your love life and take action, grab your phone, call us now. We'll set you up for the exam, the assessment, and the ultrasound totally free. You'll get this gift. This gift, guys, you'll love this. Produces powerful results in the bedroom. No obligation, totally free to callers right now.
All right, speaking of that gift, that's something else that somebody talked to me about last week. They said, asked them if I seen the gift yet, and I said, no, but I'm going to find out. I'm going to find out about that gift, too. Here's the number. It's 515-300-5555. Really easy number to remember. 515 area code, of course, because that's right here in Pleasant Hill. 300-5555. And take care of your ED problem right now, and you can do so. And just think about this. In the next 2 weeks, Andrew, somebody could have their problem just be a distant memory.
That's exactly right. Not all that long a window. And the pill, that's the rest of your life. That's a prison sentence. Nobody wants to do that.
Andrew, thank you so much. Again, 515-300-5555. Take advantage of this very special offer from Valley View Medical Clinic. Thank you, sir, and you enjoy yourself. We'll see you next time.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.